Hello guys, and welcome back to another My Mobile video. In this video, I will be opening up, I'm just going to spend all my coins on Pro Packs. So, here we go. If we get an elite or two, I'll be happy. And we start off the bat with a trash gold player. If you were wondering how I got all these coins, I basically, in my last video, I pulled those two Roy Williams collectibles. They both sold for 200k each. And then I bought a bunch of elites and stuff. And I'm just using the rest of my coins on Pro Packs. Jadavian Clowney. He's actually, he's pretty good. I'll show you my team if we have time. Blake Bortles, another trash. Come on, give me an elite. Or an update team. Update team would be awesome. Because you never get anything good out of Pro Packs. If we don't get an elite by 75k, then I'm just going to stop. I don't want to waste all my coins. Bruce Irvin. Pretty good card. $75. Mike Pouncey. He might sell for a little. Still no update team. Aaron Lynch. These packs are cold as ice. Oh, not bad. Ooh! Football Outsiders. Alright, so no elite, so I'm just going to stop. But I want to see how much that a Football Outsider goes for. Austin. 10k. $8k. What are your stats? 89 speed, that's pretty good for 82 gold. So, I'll put him up for another 500. Okay guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next.